Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Lizzul, a board-certified dermatologist and practicing dermatologist here at the California Health and Longevity Institute. I'm also the Senior Medical Director and Head of Safety for Kybella Biopharmaceuticals, the company which developed and brought to market Kybella, or ATX-101, for submental contouring. So Kybella is the first FDA-approved injectable submental contouring drug. It took over 10 years of clinical development to bring it to the market. Kybella is a synthetic deoxycholic acid, which is essentially what we all have in our bodies that helps us digest dietary fats. And what we've done is develop that in a synthetic version that we're able to inject into the double chin to dissolve the fat and help contour this submental region. Kybella, or ATX-101, is a 10-year overnight success, and I say that with all due seriousness, in that it took that long to develop this drug through the whole process of clinical development, starting from preclinical and animal work 10 years ago, bringing that all the way along through phase 1, 2, and 3 clinical trials. It's been tested in over 1,600 patients prior to it being approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. So Kybella falls into the class of facial injectable products such as botulinum toxin or HA fillers such as Juvederm or Restylane, which you may be familiar with. The difference with Kybella is that it's not a toxin or a filler, but it's actually a drug that dissolves fat underneath the chin. And patients always ask me prior to undergoing therapy, what to expect. And what you should expect is somewhat similar to what you could expect from other facial injectable products. So prior to being injected, we do a thorough evaluation of your submental area to determine that you have adequate fat to treat and that there are not other contributing factors that could lead to fullness underneath the chin or double chin. The procedure itself, once you are prepped, takes no more than 5 minutes, and it's a series of injections into the double chin area. Afterwards, what you can expect, which is not uncommon for an injectable aesthetic treatment, is there's potential for some discomfort because you are having an injection procedure. As well, there's potential to have some swelling after the procedure. You could get a bruise, and in addition, you may feel some slight numbness in the area, as well as some tingling sensation. But these are all temporary things that tend to go away within days to a week. And what you'll notice over time is that the process of your body healing after the injection takes several weeks. And then what happens is typically within 4 to 6 weeks after your first treatment, you come back for an additional assessment to see where you are, comparing where you started at baseline. So we'll take photos to document that. And then at your follow-up visit, we see how much of the fat has been taken away by injections with Kybella. Most patients needed somewhere between 2 to 4 treatments that were spaced about 1 month apart to achieve their desired aesthetic outcome.